Hi everyone, hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Today we'll practice in Durham area Al Adiba with our sister Kanchana. Go Kanchana, go. Left or right? Left. She will go left. You will stop between two drum and then fix turn straight, yes. Stop, that's okay. She will go back reverse. She keep watching the drum number 2. Where are you going? Yeah. She will go back reverse. You have to look drum number 2 in this car 99 should be visible from blind spot from the left back seat of the driver. 99 actually, but for other cars, big one, it's 50, 60 maximum, 50%. Okay, already if you turn fully left, sometimes your car going center between two drums, so you need to keep left first. After then look also to the right. If you see your car going center, you will know because space is still here. Alright, good. So if you come center exactly, stop our car, turning straight, and you go backwards. Check also from left or right if your car going straight or no. Then you are sure you can move back slowly. Good. Good tension. Good because she comes center. Otherwise, if you come near too narrow, she will face some problem. Okay, so now we are going to right side, I think. We are right side. Let's see from the right side. Our sister Kanchana from Sri Lanka. Yeah. You turn the mirror, fully straight with the line, and fully right. She turned late, that's why she go other side. You need to fix her car. You have to stop between two drums, actually. Okay, so she will look from the back of the triangle mirror on the right side. The drum number 2, this one, should be 90. Also, for other car 50, 60, the big one. Okay, now she will stop. Turn for the right. Okay, you're going back reverse from the right, so you have to keep looking there to the right mirror. Why? You want to see the space between your drum and your car bumper. If you come too narrow like that, you need to stop. Stop. That's it. She will keep her steering straight, of course. Here you need to be careful, not going too much back. That's it. She will turn fully right, and the both side is straight, left and right. You need to stop, brake. Good. Yeah. She did good from the right side also. Going. Keep going, Kanchana. Don't worry about the mirror. Not good to touch. Good, 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 good. Keep going, yes. Good, Kanchana, thank you. Good, Kanchana. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, try your best now again, okay?